Oh, did you step on my glove?
Get. We're going.
I am at Ken Reid Conservation Area. Right after a major snowstorm. It's pretty cool. It's trees are just brilliant in here. Not very good light right now. I'm just praying for a little bit of blue sky, little bit of sunshine. I don't need a lot. Be sure to watch out for crossing turtles when you're here. Not sure if we'll see any today, but I'd like to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and hopefully 2020 will be just as good as better, or even better than last year. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe down here on my left and on your right. So we're back at the lookout December 6th and trying out my camera settings. And the last time I was here I shot at full 4K 60p, and my computer's having a hard time with those files, so I'm shooting at 24p today, so we'll see how it works out. All right, so I am standing on McLaren's Creek. Hopefully this is safe. But yeah, this is Ken Reid Conservation Area. I just stepped off the boardwalk a bit to show you this. The sun was peeking through a bit. I don't know if it still is, but Highway 35 is over there. That's where I used to live when I was younger, and I would walk down the tracks and come over here. That is beautiful. Unbelievable.